Every action you take, everything you do it mindfully. Eat mindfully, speak mindfully, work mindfully, and your life will change in a way you cannot yet imagine. The tendency of a deluded mind is to constantly wander off and to be pushed forward by our cravings and desires. This leads to dissatisfaction each time our longings cannot be fulfilled. And this happens constantly in our everyday life without being aware of it. With the right mindfulness practice, you can accumulate the energy of mindfulness, which will help you to purify your mind and to stay present in each moment. A necessity to engage mindfully with all your problem points, with the intention to let them go. My name is Master Niels, and on the 3rd of March I will start an online course at the Inner Mind Institute, where I will teach you everything about how to integrate mindfulness in your everyday life to live your life within a peace. This course is for everyone who would like to learn more about mindfulness. If you like to make a positive change for yourself and for the people around you, you can simply join this course by clicking on the link in the description. If you missed this course, don't worry, you can follow this course on our online platform on the Inner Mind Institute. Enjoy all the sessions, and I hope to teach you many more things about mindfulness. Keep practicing and stay mindful.